All right, so today, I really wanted to focus on Trump, as in the Trump token, which, believe it or not, is actually the second most visited token right now on CoinMarketCap. And you've got to understand, there are about 12 million tokens out there, and Trump, specifically, has been the second most viewed one over the last 24 hours. So it really suggests that there's something quite significant happening with this Trump token. And we can actually see it quite clearly here, looking at this candlestick chart formation. It's got about 6 more hours left on this particular candle, and we're really observing a vector pattern developing. So today, I'm going to show you, and this might just be the big one, the reason why I'm leaning into the Trump token, even though it's a relatively small position for me currently. You might be asking, is this just another one of those absolute garbage coins? Well, let me tell you, my primary objective, as you've probably gathered by now, isn't to hold on to these coins indefinitely. My main goal, my actual, paramount objective, is to actually make money trading them. And then, when you encounter a situation like this, a clear reversal pattern emerging, well, that's when things become particularly interesting. I've actually identified what looks like a double bottom formation here. And if you take a look at the daily chart, you can really see it clearly. We had a significant pump, a jump of about 58% initially. Of course, it is the weekend. And as you know, meme coins tend to pump during the weekends. And then we saw another pump, this time around 44%. And honestly, I'm expecting a similar kind of upward movement, a comparable pump for the Trump token. So what's my current thinking about this Trump token? Well, I actually participated in the initial launch.
So while this isn't a guarantee, it's certainly something we need to pay close attention to and monitor the subsequent days to see what unfolds. Now, the reason I've personally taken a position in the Trump token is due to several factors, and I'm going to illustrate that for you right here. As you can clearly see, when we zoom out a bit, we can observe a formation that resembles a Bart Simpson pattern. Why do I say that? Well, we make a lower low, then we pull back, we attempt to make a new high, then we subsequently make another lower low, but this one is higher than the previous one. We pull back again, and we fail to break that previous high. We pull back again, and we're still making higher lows. We pull back yet again, and we're making even higher lows. Then we attempt to break through, and we form a wick, which often signals an impending upward move, a pump. And importantly, the subsequent low is still significantly higher than the previous ones. So we're consistently seeing higher highs and higher lows. And it was precisely at this point, seeing this continuation of higher lows forming, that I decided to enter a position in the Trump token. I initiated my trade right here, following a clear break of structure on the 15-minute time frame. This was a vector move, and my objective, naturally, with the Trump token, and this also happened to coincide with a good entry point for another setup I'm monitoring, is to capture a portion of this potential upward momentum. This will likely be a relatively short-term trade. My initial target for the Trump token is actually situated right here, based on this vector pattern that you can see, this blue vector. The first objective is a modest 17% gain, and then the next target is located further up, around this area. We're looking at approximately 49%, maybe 48, 49% for the Trump token. And the reason why I'm confident about targeting these levels for Trump is that, we can actually employ leverage. This means we have the potential to significantly amplify any upward movement we experience. We're currently observing a strong upward momentum on the Trump token, even on these smaller